If these guys aren't exposed to this industry and what we do, they may never know it exists.
We are a career and technical education center serving high school populations here in Culpeper County. Our electrical students on a daily basis are handling the materials, tools, and equipment necessary that they would handle on a real construction site. We decided to create a data center simulator in our lab. I think it can become a little bit more confusing for the students to have an understanding of why the direction of the projects that we're providing are real world applicable.
How can we bring the industry into the classroom so that they can see what's happening inside the classroom? But also, how can we take the classroom to the company, to the job site, to where the work's being done? And the Culpeper Tech Center helps us concentrate into 1,000 acres, that vision of bringing in the new technology, but also still keeping the rest just as pristine as it is today. When DataBank first came to us, they were asking where did we want data centers? And I've been in conversation with their construction group and said, hey, like, we have this school, we'd love to see how to partner. And they're like, well, we'd love to partner. That'd be great.
DataBank really opened their arms to us immediately. And right away, without hesitation, there was an invitation from DataBank to be able to get into their space on their construction site and have our kids engage and learn and be inspired.
I didn't know data centers existed until I started working in and around one. The earlier we can expose individuals to this environment and the operation itself and the industry, I think the better.
Our students had the opportunity to share what they've learned with real industry professionals. Those folks were able to give my students feedback on the project that they're completing so far, give them advice about where to take it next and how to improve the things that they're doing. Then in addition to that, we hopped on a school bus, drove over to that construction site. We then broke into small groups and had an awesome tour around the DataBank site.
Everyone came prepared. They were all wearing their glasses, so I loved it. It's also a little bit of a uniform that, you're part of something.
It was mind-blowing. I'm really thankful that we got the opportunity, and it really gives you an idea how serious, the job security and the safety precautions everybody takes and what it takes to really get a big job like this done.
Seeing this just sparked my interest in the construction industry. Definitely see a future career in this.
Having the opportunity to see a data center in action and see an end product will be invaluable for them. Here's what we're doing, here's what the end product really looks like, and here's why the application of what we're doing within this project is so meaningful.
We can quit looking at such a micro level and expand our looking to the macro. That's what DataBank is helping all of us do.
This building has so much going on. Mr. K expects us to have quality work like they do here. It's amazing to see how it can become real life.
We'll have more students that are able to walk out of this building and see the job that they want next.
It's priceless to have community partners like DataBank who are willing to open their doors and welcome us in.
I'm really excited to see where my future goes with this whole career, and I look forward to it.